It's alright. That's what we're here for. That's what this is for.
I don't know what happened. I'm just not having a good day today. I mean, I was just going around and it stopped and it popped at me. It was so horrible. I was walking around with it, and then all of a sudden something got stuck in it. I think it was a peanut.
That's horrible. That's horrible. Talk it out, guys. Who else? Who else? Come on, guys. It's good to cry, but we need to really press in and talk about this.
I just have to change the bag!
It's alright. It's alright. Talk it out. Talk it out.
It was terrible. Actually, I remember like it was yesterday.
Hey guys, could you guys do me a favor? You know that back section back there, we really need to get it vacuumed. Could you guys help me out and take care of that for me?
Alright, sure.
Alright man, thanks a lot.
Alright, sure.
Alright.